Good morning, guys. Good morning. This is what the weather is like this morning. This is my view of the tennis court. Good morning, guys. I just woke up and I'm gonna head to breakfast. It's around 9:30. 9:15 and breakfast in 9:30. I'm just gonna wake up. I'm gonna get people them please. So I'm gonna have breakfast now and then come back to my room, put on a wicked bathing suit and show now. Big up, I'm gonna link below where I got my bathing suit that I'm gonna wear in the other clip from. She's a YouTuber as well, and I'm so happy that she started her boutique and she's doing really well on Instagram and stuff like that. So I'm gonna link her below, and I'm also sexy and saying I bought suit, so stay tuned for that. Where I'm at now, this is the tennis court. The lobby is straight across there. I wanted a room that was pointed to the ocean though, but nonetheless, a good room same way. So yeah, that matter right now. Bathing. Today is a beautiful day outside. Morning. I had on my wig. I took it off. I'm wearing my Skylife hat. What did I? What is I wanted to play area? Oh, what is it? See beach there. Got beach later. Straight across. What was the last night? I think so. Yeah? I think so. So, you want to get massage? Massage. See how shake it? See? No, sir. No, sir. I hear that say something else. Guys, I really wanted to show you this statue. See if I can see it good. They have other statues from Rome right across the walkway. And stuff. Show the relationship goals. What's up with one of my cameras? Oh. Guys, the beach is over there. The pool bar there underneath. Pull down the sun, you can see it right here, sir. The pool is straight across down there, and underneath is the pool bar. I'm not going to show you. But I tried to play this last night. I was in a strawberry doctor. Put the manager with the rum. Got my bed. This is their commissary. Been on Monday to Sunday, 8 to 10. And we're approaching the Rastaman area, and this is where they keep their like nightly functions and stuff like that. So last night they had reggae night over here right by the bar, and then yes, and tonight they're gonna have something over here. So morning, sir. Okay, maybe I can't leave it on my vlog. So tell me what to do on my vlog, please. So guys, I'm gonna show you what I got. I eat a lot of pastry just a while ago already, but I'm gonna show you when I'm plate. Some have baked bean, banana, pastry. This looks like a kidney. So that's how much them right now. So guys, this is the pool bar. They're cleaning the pool now, so that's allowed to go in the pool. Beach over there, so let me go for one of them, take them around something there. So it's a better activity pool now. So the pool is closed for treatment. We don't eat breakfast. And they mash me up, yo. So guys, we don't eat the food.
Can't go for one another too, man.
And that me not tell about. We just eat breakfast and they mash me up right now. So when I look into it too, that will look like me eat nothing too tough. But just say I'm going easier taking a view and stuff. And trouble. Yeah, somebody are going to take in a view and the scenery about that color though. Taking a view and thing. Go back up our room. Take a 5 minutes. Come back down here later. See you. So guys, well gone. I was sleeping up on the bath suit. I say could come up high. You can't wear it alone. It's like so revealing. It's really sexy, the bath suit. I'm gonna link it below and you can get the money bath suit. Money we are free. Excuse me, but I just gonna mash up some food. Get something to drink. But if you're gonna get a jerk, man, because normally, like from 12 to 3, what happens is you have the jerk hut. I just sleep from 11 o'clock. I just wake up. It's my face not to wake up properly. Drop on my Skylife after my bath suit and sit and forward. So, that's currently what I'm doing now. I'm going to chill by the beach. No sun not out, so I'm just going to chill and relax. You see me? But I was mad. I didn't know I was so tired. Sleep from 11 till 2. So I was pretty tired. I just have lunch. I have stew pork, callaloo, white rice, special fried rice, grilled chicken breast, and did I say callaloo? And callaloo. I should drink something now and just go down by the beach. The beach is right down there and chill. Normally the jerk up more. There's some activities too, so maybe I take part in those. So yeah, that's what I'm doing now. So guys, I'm about to go relax on the beach. I just go up by pool deck before I get my towel. Everybody loving money about shoot. Money. That body though. The money bad suit and sitting. Really nice, it fit really sexy too, not gonna lie. So I'm gonna link her Instagram page below so you guys can get your bath suit from her. And baitings. So the beach is really chill today. Not a lot of people out. Maybe we can have a glass bottom boat. If I want to something over there. I'm gonna give you guys a B-roll. B-roll. Birdie 3, how you doing? Baby chilling. Running down. We flew away.
Rolling.